Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
So my question is that if my father asks me to play the news, and almost all news of Pakistan have women speaking and without hijab, and my father usually asks for a specific news channel. So can I do that?
As long as you know that there is haram and that women are not supposed to be displayed or watched and music should not be listened to. The question would be, is this pleasing Allah or angering Allah? If you say, no, this is displeasing and angering Allah because there are women and music and this is haram. In this case, it is not permissible for you to obey your father in this. So he committed adultery, he cheated on his wife. And now he's back with his wife, repenting and wanting to know which place or how can he get the punishment of stoning to death to cleanse his sin. First of all, akhi, this punishment and the likes cannot be carried out by individuals, not by the individual himself who committed this sin. It cannot be carried out by the community, the Muslim community, or the head of the Muslim Islamic center. This prescribed punishment, whether it's beheading, execution, or flogging, or stoning, or chopping off the hands of a thief, can only be executed by the Muslim ruler of the country. So it's not the head of the community or the imam of the city. It has to be executed by a Muslim ruler who has the army and the armed forces and the police force under his control. He's the authority that only can carry this prescribed punishment in Islam. So for you, my friend, you don't have the right, or your friend does not have the right to ask others to stone him to death. And if he does, then he would be committing suicide. Those who stoned him would be murderers and must be punished according to Islamic law. So what to do, Sheikh? Akhi, Allah, one of his beautiful names is As-Sittir, the one who conceals. So if Allah concealed your sin, it is a sin for you to go and tell others about it. It's a sin to go to your wife and say, listen, hon, when we were separated, I did this and this and this. Totally haram. Totally sinful. And it's sinful for you to go and expose it to others. So what's between you and Allah remains between you and Allah. Ask Allah for forgiveness and Allah would erase your sins.